Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope everyone's doing well and I am also doing well. Today I am going to share my thoughts as well as I am trying to keep practicing a little bit speaking English. So let's begin. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. In my village, I think this village has been lots of problems for many people. It's including younger people and old people. Specifically, most of the younger peoples he have a big dream, but he couldn't struggles hard for himself. I think it was very bad if you have to sorry if you don't have to struggles hard for your dream, because if you have a dream you must be work hard for yourself, then you will have been achieve for your dream as soon as possible. The world no need to helping for someone, because lots of people are really bad if you don't believe me for yourself. In that case, I shouldn't able to talking about my dreams for anyone. I saw this most of the people are really bad if you become a good person. That's why I am promise I will be become a bad guy. Then I will be happy for my life as well as I am helping for a lots of people in my village. I can be achieve for my dream as much as possible. If I can do it, then I will be helping for lots of people. I wish I could be left my country as soon as possible. If I have to left my country, then I will be able to do one day. So I could be helping for lots of people. I saw this place lots of people are couldn't work hard in your life. I think it's a really bad if you are working hard, if you are don't work hard in your life. I would say you must be work hard for yourself, then you will be continue struggle day by day, then you will be able to achieve for your dream as much as possible. So after that I will left my country, then I think it will be happy for my fans and my family. That's why I'm decided I will be achieve for my dream as much as possible. So additionally it was really bad if you don't be believe me for yourself. When a year ago I had been very hard for myself because I'm also don't believe me for myself. It was really bad for me. That's why I decided it's time to never give up for myself as well as my dream. Then I will work hard in my dreaming after day by day. So that's all pity about me. Thank you for your patience, Harry. See you next video. Have a great day.